Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear TikTok search history. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application on our phone. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can go to our profile. Okay, and click on these three lines on the top right corner. And here we can select settings and privacy and open the activity center. And since we want to clear the search history, we can click on search history option. And here you can select search history that you want to delete from your TikTok. You can click on select and you can select one by one like this. But if you want to clear all your search history, you can click on select all search history and click on delete all. And after that, all your search history will be deleted from your TikTok. Alright guys, and that's how we can clear TikTok search history. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.